Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. We have to add 57 ones, 10 hundreds and 3 thousands. So first of all let us write 57 ones can be written as 57 multiplied by 1 and 10 hundreds can be written as 10 multiplied by 1 by 100 and similarly 3 thousands can be written as 3 multiplied by 1 by 1000. Now let's add this. So 57 plus 1 by 10 plus this is 3 by 1000. So 57 and 1 by 10 can be written in decimal number as 0.1. Similarly 3 by 1000 can be written as 0.003. Now we have to add these three numbers. So let's add it. 57.000 we can write, 0.1 we can add 00 after decimal. Now 0.003. Now we have to add these three decimal number. So 301.75. So finally we can say this is our decimal number 57.103 and this is our answer.